So back at you, another Ford F-150 short wheelbase. This is a 86, 87. I think it's an 87. See if we can get a VIN plate here. This is a 80, 12 of 80. Come on, camera focus. 12 of 86. Get this stupid camera to focus here. I don't want to act right today. 12 of 86. So actually it's 87. And what somebody did was they put a older 302 engine in it and put all the accessories on it. It has a blowed head gasket. They did away with all the fuel injection. There's the wire harness right there. They went through and cut all the wires, did away with the fuel injection. That's where the computer plugs. And they put in this carbureted 302 older motor, what it looks like to be. But it, like I said, it has a blow head gasket, and we're going to tear it down and do the head gaskets on it. Hopefully the heads are not cracked. But you can see there's a milky oil. And so it's actually a friend of mine's, and he bought it. And he wants me to put head gaskets on it. Okay, we'll let that stay there. So we'll get it tore down, and I'm gonna send the heads, get them checked, make sure they ain't cracked, and we'll go from there. But pretty decent truck for 86. Body's pretty decent. Got mismatched wheels on it. Well, actually, it has 4 of the matching wheels. Just one of them's not on there. It's one of them internet buys. Interior's pretty decent. He's been cleaning it up. Toolbox. Peculiar looking toolbox. Almost like a side box or something. But let's give y'all a short video of what's going on now. I got the other short wheelbase running. You can check it out in the other videos. That was the 84. That's actually mine. So anyway, I'll get back at you.